know that the horsepower of an Aston Martin DBX car is 550? Let's watch the production of the Aston Martin in its fantastic manufacturing unit in South Wales. The production starts with bodywork. The body is then sent to the next station. The robots paint the car for maximum finish. The body is now passing through inspection to check its rigidity and paint durability. After that, the employees polish the car body to enhance the color of the paint. The luxurious dashboard is ready for installation. Next, the doors are set in place. The gearbox undergoes various assemblies. Finally, the car is ready to provide an excellent experience for each driver.